The Grenadian nationality law is governed by the Grenada Citizenship Act and the Grenada Constitution of 1973. Birth in Grenada. In general, everyone born in Grenada from 1974 or later acquires Grenadian citizenship at birth. The exception is only for children born to diplomat parents. Citizenship by descent. Children born outside of Grenada to a Grenadian-born parent may automatically apply for a Grenadian passport. Children of Grenadian parentage must attach Grenadian birth certificate of parents so as to establish parental claim. Citizenship by registration. Registration is a simpler method of acquiring citizenship than naturalization, but certain people are eligible. Children born outside of Grenada to a Grenadian parent. Section 6. Children born outside of Grenada to a Grenadian parent. Section 5. A person who is or has been married to a citizen of Grenada. Section 5. Commonwealth and Irish citizens may apply for citizenship by registration under Section 6 provided that the person have been legally living in Grenada for 7 years, or 4 years and 2 years as holder of a permanent residence permit immediately preceding the date of application. Citizenship by naturalization. Aliens or British protected persons can apply for Grenadian citizenship by naturalization under School 5 Reg. 7 of the Grenada Citizenship Act, if they have been legally living in Grenada for 7 years and 2 years as a permanent resident immediately preceding the date of application. Dual citizenship. Grenadian law allows the citizens to hold dual citizenship. Rights and privileges of Grenadian citizens. In Grenada, Grenadian citizens enjoy the following rights: the right to enter and remain in Grenada at any time without an immigration permit, entitlement to a Grenadian passport and to Grenadian consular protection overseas, immunity to deportation, entitlement to vote and stand for public office, entitlement to leave Grenada and return at any time without requirement of visa, entitlement to pass Grenadian citizenship by descent or registration to children born outside Grenada, full access to education rights and scholarships, ability to apply for public service jobs reserved to Grenadian citizens, access to international sport. In other Commonwealth countries, as Commonwealth citizens, Grenadians are afforded a number of privileges in some Commonwealth countries. In the United Kingdom, Grenadian citizens enjoy the following privileges: the right to vote in all elections as long as they have registered to vote, the right, unless other disqualified, to stand for election to the British House of Commons as long as they possess indefinite leave to remain or do not require leave under the Immigration Act 1971 to enter or remain in the UK. The right, if a qualifying peer or bishop, to sit in the House of Lords. Eligibility to hold public office. The right of abode, access to UK ancestry entry clearance, may not be required to register with the police while living in the United Kingdom. In New Zealand, Mauritius, Malawi and many Commonwealth countries in the Caribbean, Grenadian citizens who are long-term residents have the right to vote in elections. Visa requirements. Visa requirements for Grenadian citizens are administrative entry restrictions by the authorities of other states placed on citizens of Grenada. In 2016, Grenadian citizens had visa-free or visa-on arrival access to 121 countries and territories, ranking the ordinary Grenadian passport 39th in the world according to the Visa Restrictions Index. Oath of citizenship. Non-Commonwealth nationals may be required to swear an oath of allegiance to the Queen of Grenada. I.A.B. do solemnly and sincerely affirm and declare that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, her heirs and successors, according to law, and that I will faithfully observe the laws of Grenada and fulfill my duties as a citizen of Grenada. So help me God. Consular Protection. Grenadian citizens who require consular assistance in a foreign country where there is no Grenadian foreign mission may be able to request assistance from a British embassy, High Commission, or consulate. For example, Grenadians who need to travel urgently and whose passport has expired, been lost or stolen can be issued with an emergency travel document by a British foreign mission as long as this has cleared with the Grenadian Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Loss of Grenadian citizenship. Any citizen of Grenada of full age and capacity may voluntarily renounce his or her citizenship as of Section 10 of the Grenada Citizenship Act, 1976. Grenada and British nationality. Prior to 1974, persons connected with Grenada held British nationality. Grenadians were mainly classified as citizens of UK and colonies. Upon independence from the United Kingdom, Grenada became a Commonwealth realm with HM Queen Elizabeth II as head of state. Persons connected with Grenada at independence may have retained citizenship of the UK and colonies if they did not acquire Grenadian citizenship. They had specified ties with the UK itself, i.e., parent or grandparent who was born and naturalized in the UK or in a place which remained a British overseas territory. Such persons would have become British citizens on the 1st of January 1983 if they had specified ties to the UK, otherwise they would have become British overseas citizens.